Hold on, I bet you're thirsty. I don't even know how to start this intro. I don't even know how I feel. I'm just fed up. So I know everybody is struggling right now, so I feel kind of bad asking you all to subscribe, but please do and give this video a like. Today we are gonna do some makeup therapy because I don't think you all want to hear me ramble on and do makeup. And this is the look that you're gonna do. I'm gonna supply you with some good music again, just like the last one. If you didn't see it, I'll link it up here, and we could get going.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. Losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire that we watched it burn out. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. 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 I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. Demons pushing all my triggers.
And this is what you get. Okay? Some boredom, good music, and makeup at your disposal just to do anything you feel like. Guys, I don't want to talk anymore. Please like this video. If you all want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. If you like this look and you want to try it, make sure and tag me on if you post it on Instagram at Ting Ladies, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.